Hello there, what up guys, it's BV Essential. Oh my god, I sound like a YouTuber, man. But yes, we're back again with another video, and basically, this video is more like a challenge. I call this challenge HellFire Challenge. And it's the cringe. But basically, one day in uni, I was doing work, and then I saw a notification saying a live stream from Tekken Trains 101. So I joined into this live stream, and I saw him playing Open BVE, and I was like, you know, fair enough. He's a decent driver. So I saw some other YouTubers as well in the live chat, and I thought, okay, he has an audience, you know, and he's driving well. How about we put this to the test? So I challenged this sexy bastard right here.
People, look at this guy right here. That's Tom. He's not that cool.
And the challenge was to go back on Open BVE, load up the route, drive from Stratford to West Hampstead with no HUD whatsoever on Open BVE. So he's just completely just in the cab. You know, he was doing good. He was doing good. And the challenge was HellFire Challenge. So this challenge was basically meant to mimic ATO. The reason why I challenged him, because when I was watching this live stream, you know, I saw him just crawling into stations. Like, my guy was just crawling, you know. Yeah, I'll show some clips of him just crawling into the station.
We're crawling for the last little bit. See, that's what I'm trying to avoid. Just crawl up to the stop marker. Open the... See, now, that's what I mean. We're crawling. It's not too bad. Oh, no, I've overrun it. Wow, go me. See, this is what I mean about caution to the wind. Now, what shall I do here? Shall I actually open the doors up? Or should I actually reverse so I can open the doors up or not? I've overcooked it again. Have I overcooked it? Oh, wait, no! Damn it! So close. So close and yet so far. We are honing in on this. All up to the stop marker. This will be the most uncomfortable ride ever. I accidentally left it in brake 1 there instead of neutral. So we crawled up to the stop marker, but I'm calling it anyway.
So as you just saw from the clips, shout out to Tech, my guy was just crawling into the stations. Like, bro, he was just like a baby, just taking baby steps into the station. And I said, you know what? Why did we kick up a notch, man? Why did we put him to the test? Why didn't we see him mimicking ATO? So what I mean by this is I mean by like coming in full speed and getting a crispy stop, like no crawling whatsoever. Obviously, I know it's gonna be quite a hard, difficult job. So you know, we went easy. I said, you know, we can do some minor crawlings. You know, just minimal crawling as much as possible. And so he accepted my challenge. And if you want to see how he did, you can go watch his video. The link will be in the description. So the tweaks he made to the rules were basically this. You can overrun a station, but you only get one chance to reverse. While you're reversing, you must blow your whistle. Once you've done your reverse, you have no more reverses at all. Any further overruns means you lose a point, and also you must proceed to the next station without stopping at the current station you overran. However, if you spad, then you are disqualified. I know if you spad, you are disqualified from the challenge, and you must follow with bad procedures and continue off the route. So up until the point you are spad, further from that, your performance will not count at all. So once you spad, any performance or any stations after that will not count. So try your best not to spad. And he said that makes it a challenge. So shout out to 𝐻𝐕𝐄 𝐖𝐄𝐒. He is one of the developers of this route. Again, shout out to BVE Western Region for all the effort they placed into the route. I know there's a lot of people complaining about the acceleration and the braking power of the train, and the reason why it's like that is because this route was set in 1999, way before ATO was introduced, way before the 7th car was introduced, way before there was improving the signals. So as you can tell, the train power back then was much more weaker compared to ATO now, where ATO is just slamming on the brakes, slamming on the acceleration. You know, it's just slamming everything. So that's why the performance is made how it is. It's just to replicate how the train was driven back then. But again, shout out to BVE Western Region for the excellent route that they've done. The link will be in the description, and I encourage all of you lot to download and join in this challenge, because this is totally for free as course. You know, this route and the simulation is for free. I made some tutorials on the channel, so I encourage you all to participate. #HellFire challenge, and also to challenge anybody who may interest you as well. So my challenges are for Tech and Trains to do this one more time. London Railway Enthusiastic, I saw you made a video. He said he was out in a couple of posts ago, but because he made that video, I'm gonna challenge you. And then of course the main person himself, 𝐻1992. He is a developer of this route. Who would not want to see the developer play his own route? So those are my three. Oh, and Jubilee DI. Those are my 4 main challenges. Tech and Trains 101, London Railway Enthusiastic, 𝐻1992, and Jubilee DI. Let's see how these guys do. And any submissions you got, just send me a link if you want me to upload it onto my channel and put your username. I'll also do that too. But anyways, guys, have a nice one.